try to increase the size of the memory from 8 GB to 16 GB, and it was successful. It's working. Where I hopefully I can show you. 16 GB, it's working well. And here are the old ROMs, just 2 times 4 GB, which were replaced. And one more view. Here is the setup in the BIOS, and you can see here the type of the laptop, and Dell and Inspiron and 7110. And what is surprising for me, that the memory speed. So you can see the 16 GB, it's working. And in the description of the laptop was written that just it is working on 1333 megahertz. But now you can see this bigger memory is working on 1600 megahertz. Wow.